day, Mosu was walking. Bam, 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 nobody's here. Oh, hey, Cookie Boy, did you saw my friend? No? Did you? No? I have chosen. I am so bad. I want to see my friends. What should I do now? Papa. Oh, who are you? Don't worry. If you smile, you can find your friends. So be happy and go and find your friends. Oh, really? If I'm happy, I can find my friends? Okay, then I'll be happy and go and find my friends. Don't cry. Oh, okay. Miles and miles, and then he started crying, and then he realized crying won't help him. So he is happy and started smiling, and he is searching for his friends. You want to help him to find his friends, okay? Did you saw my friend? Where? Which side? Oh, my dear friend, why did you leave me? Because you was so sad. You always cry. That's why I left you. Oh, sir, don't worry. From today, I'll be very happy and I'll smile, okay? Okay, my dear friend. Okay, now you go to our place. I go and find other friends and come back. Okay, my dear friend. Bing, 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 bing. Say bye. Bing, bing. Oh, I need to find 3 more friends. Where are they? If you saw them? Bum, 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 bum. Oh my God, I couldn't find my flying friend. Did you saw my flying friend? Where? Where? Oh, my dear butterfly. Oh, my dear butterfly, sorry. From today I'll be very happy. I won't cry, I won't be angry, okay? Okay, you go and wait in our place. I'll come back. I'll go find the rest of you. You just go back, you're blabbering. Father, you just went. What? You go. Stop, you go. Did you saw my third friend? Where is he? Oh, my dear friend, we want to find the last tiny chatter boy. Okay. Boy. Why? Oh. Why? Oh. Oh. Can you please go? Okay. Did you saw my tiny friend? Yeah! Where? Where? Wow! Where are you, my dear cutie friend? Hey, my dear little ratty, come here. Ratty boy, my dear ratty toy, where are you? Finally escaped from the plant. Stop. Sorry, my dear cookie friend. I was scolded, you know. I come today, I want to harmful to you. I show love to you. You are my best friend from today, okay? Huh? Really? Not today? Yeah, okay. Oh, you just go and wait in our place. I'll come back. Finally, I got all of my friends. Remember, guys, from today, I won't be angry. I'll talk sweetly to everyone and I will cry for everything. Come on! Oh, where you play? From today, I'll be a very good person. I'll be a very good friend. So don't leave me, okay? Don't worry. Okay? Oh, thank you. From that day, also have many friends because he would get angry, he smiled and he will be happy. That's why he got a lot of friends. Okay, then today also you will be happy and you get more friends like Sukkot. Thank you so much.